bunch of gifts and open them up until I get it. Let's see how many boxes I open until I get it. I'm gonna have so many of these gifts. I can't believe I didn't notice that there was a new vehicle. Legendary vehicle. I have a little audience. Yes! I got it! I spent way less than 20,000 too. Okay. The Dino truck. This is the new Dino truck. Trying to get good views of it. Gonna take out an animal. Oh, it goes right inside with you. So I wonder if people are gonna sit in the back. It's so cute. That's the new legendary car. I like it. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like my videos. And also, like I've said in almost all my Adopt Me videos, if you like one of the videos, subscribe, and comment your username, and you can get a free neon. I'll add you and give you the neon, and then, yeah. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like my videos, get a free neon, and when you comment your username. Bye! Thank you!